back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Because of the Juneteenth holiday yesterday, a lot of companies were not open and were not posting job leads. So I am scouring the internet this morning trying to find the best that is available right now. So please bear with me today. But with that being said, today's job lead is going to be a healthcare medical data entry non-phone job lead. It is from the company Examworks. Of course, if you're interested in putting that application in, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. Examworks is looking for a data entry associate. Now, this is 100% remote for the United States. However, they state the candidate must be available to work 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll need to convert your hours to see if those hours will work for you. They are providing all office equipment that you need: screens, keyboards, mouses, a virtual desktop, and the pay for this data entry position is anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $16.50 an hour. Now, it does note that preference will be given to people who do have experience with some kind of healthcare billing, or that medical terminology, ICD-10 codes and CPT codes. But they are basically looking for somebody to gather, organize, and prepare source documents for data entry into the appropriate system database. You're going to review that data for any errors or discrepancies, missing pages or information, and resolve those errors by using their standard procedures. You'll enter both alphabetic and numeric data from those source documents into the computer system. Of course, you're going to review those once you've entered it to make sure that it was entered correctly. And you'll perform any various clerical duties such as filing, emailing, and proofreading. So you do have to stay in accordance with HIPAA guidelines. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and they're looking for a minimum of 6 months of some kind of related experience. Now, they do want somebody who can work those Microsoft Office software programs, Word, Outlook, Excel, work the internet, somebody who can type at least 40 words per minute, somebody who can work independently and maintain confidentiality with the information that you see. Now, they do, on top of the pay, offer a benefit package that says it includes competitive benefits, paid time off, and 401k. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.